it's Ariana, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are finally going to be doing May's Boxycharm unboxing along with June's box. So I do have both of the boxes here. My June box just arrived, so it didn't arrive like too late in the season this time. Usually I get my boxes at like the end of the month, and like it is the end of the month, but I mean, it's not as bad as it usually is basically. So I'm going to quickly go through May's box because I did not unbox that one in May because I did not think that there was a point to doing so because I didn't get it until like the last day of May. So ignore the fact that my bangs are messed up. I still think that this wig is really cute. The bangs are just really kind of uneven and messed up, and we tried to fix them and it just didn't work out too well. So ignore that. But we can jump on into the box. So I'm gonna go through May's box first because it is been sitting here for quite a while. And this is what June's box looks like versus May's. So they are quite a difference in size. So I'm curious to see what we got. So this is what the May unboxing looks like. So it is a purple card and it has all of the stuff on it that tells you what you got basically. And I have absolutely no idea what is coming in either box. So I'm super excited. I'm still trying to fix these bangs, they're messed up. So I have no idea what's coming in either box, but I'm really excited. So they didn't send any bubble wrap at all in this box. It's just kind of the products are placed inside it and that's it. So again, Boxycharm cheaping out and not giving a shit if the products break or get destroyed in shipping. So that's fun. I really don't like the fact that they keep raising prices for Boxycharm and then have absolutely no care for their shipping. It's lovely. So the first thing that I got is a liquid eyeshadow in the shade Rose Quartz, and it's from the brand Lucky Chick. So it looks like this. This is what it looks like up close. It is a really, really cute packaging. It is kind of like a bullet lipstick. It is dirty. It's already like marked up already, so that's nice from Boxycharm. They did not send me one that is like clean at all. So that's kind of annoying. So this is the Lucky Chick liquid eyeshadow. So this gorgeous metallic pink shade creates a beautiful tone while radiating a subtle shimmer glow. It is lightweight, long-lasting, and has the right amount of shine and luster. Wear a thin layer on the lids or build up to a more dramatic look. Layering is soothing. Cucumber-enriched eyeshadow makes it perfect for an all-day wear, and it retails for $22. So $22 for a liquid eyeshadow. I don't know if that is a good price. I personally wouldn't pay that for a liquid eyeshadow, but it looks really pretty. The color is really gorgeous. I think this would be a nice highlight if you like a really, really shimmery highlight. I think that would be really pretty. So I'll definitely give that a try, but I can't guarantee that I'll like it. We shall see. The Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint. So this is probably a blush that is like a liquid, I'm assuming. Oh, it is. Okay, so this is a Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint, and it is tiny. It is absolutely tiny. I don't really like it when Boxycharm sends products like this because this is a sample product in my opinion. This is not a full-size product. They're supposed to send 5 full-size product and this is not one. Dewy Blush is a next-gen gel balm tint blush that is set to shake up and refresh your beauty routine. Gone are the days of chalky powder blush. With an ultra lightweight finish, Dewy Blush leaves its subtle hint of color that you apply to the cheek, blending effortlessly into a modern glass-like sheen. Formulated with natural extracts of zuzu and dragon fruit, the blush brightens your base, leaving your skin with an even, healthy flush of color, and it retails for $22. I would not pay $22 for a sample-size product. So I'm pretty disappointed with that. If Boxycharm is going to claim that they're going to send 5 full-size products, then they should probably do that because this is not a full-size product in my opinion. That is way too small for the amount of money we are paying for this box. So the next item I see is the Skin Ink Supplement. So this is a serum. It's a Glow Filter Hydra Micro Capsule, and the inside of the packaging looks like this. So it is a really, really cool packaging. It has all these little beads inside it that I'm assuming are going to just like blend into your skin. And it's from the brand Skin Ink. I've never actually heard of Skin Ink before. Glow up with the world's first skincare makeup serum glow filter, blending beauty and technology in one. This clever concoction is formulated with rare gold hibiscus extract and Skin Ink's top 2 best-selling serums to give you a selfie filter in real life. It's perfect for everyday use and is personalized to your skin tone using light reflective technology that enables external light to bounce off your skin, creating a glowy, pearlized finish and reduced appearance of pores and red skin tone. And it retails for $50. That is very expensive. That is a really interesting concept for a product. I've never actually heard of that before. So I'm really excited to try this out. It looks like this up close. The packaging is really, really nice. I don't know if it's glass. It kind of sounds like glass, but it feels like plastic. So for $50, this is hopefully an item that I like. I'm not too sure, we shall see. Boxy Beauty eyeshadow primer. So I usually use concealer as my base whenever I'm doing eyeshadow. So again, this is a sample. I would not say this is a full-size product. This is tiny. Like, no wonder this box was so tiny this month. I really feel like Boxycharm cheaped out with the size of the products that we got. Both of the products in this box so far have literally been samples. This is a sample size in my opinion. This is not a full-size product. You get 10 milliliters of product. All right, so this is the Basic Beauty Eyeshadow Primer. This is an eyelid primer base formulated with hemp seed oil to moisturize and maximize color intensity for a crease-free look that lasts up to 12 hours, and it retails for $18. I would not pay $18 for, again, a sample size product. I feel like these are the same types of products that we would get in like the Ipsy bag, like the Ipsy sample size. And the last product is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow 12% AHA BHA Resurfacing Body Serum. So I have used the Honeymoon Glow before in a past video. I did a review on it. It was the AHA and BHA, like an exfoliant, like a chemical exfoliant, and I did not have a good time using it. So I'm not entirely sure if I want to use this product. And I do think that 12% is really, really high for me. I don't like using AHAs, BHAs that have a percentage that is quite that high. It's just too high for my skin. My skin is really sensitive and I know that I'm probably not going to enjoy using this product. So I'm probably gonna pass this along to one of my friends that actually enjoys AHA and BHA serums and exfoliators and stuff like that, because I don't care for this type of product. A body hydrating and resurfacing serum that instantly softens rough skin and eliminates bumps with AHA and BHAs, leaving skin remarkably smooth with a lit from within glow, and it retails for $40. So it's a fairly decent price. You get a lot of product. You get 140 milliliters, which is 4.7 of a fluid ounce, and it's just not a product that I'm actually going to enjoy using or like using. I may test it out just like on my arm or something just to see if I have a bad reaction to it. The last time that I used a Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow product, I had a really bad time using it and I did not enjoy the product at all. So I may just pass that along to one of my friends. I saw that as soon as I opened the box and I was instantly like, oh, great, what a waste of a product for me. Somebody else may really enjoy that, but I definitely did not. So this month's box was pretty disappointing. I don't like the fact that we got two basically sample size products and everything else was skincare related, not really makeup related. I'm excited to try the serum and the blush I'm excited to try, but it is again like a really tiny sample size product. So I'm pretty disappointed with May's box. It was really, really disappointing in my opinion. It retailed for $152, so it's still well worth over what you're paying. I pay about 40 something dollars Canadian, and this was 152 USD value, so it is still well worth my money. But these aren't products that I would have actually purchased myself, which is the fun of subscription boxes. But at the same time, I feel like a lot of the time I get products that just end up sitting in my drawer and I don't end up using because they're just throwaway items that I don't want to try. So I do think that there is a hit and miss for Boxycharm, and that box was definitely a miss. And now to move on to June's box. So June's box actually came with bubble wrap. So it's very interesting how the different boxes are packaged so differently. One month you're gonna get bubble wrap, the next month you're gonna get like foam, the next month after that you'll get nothing. So I find that interesting. So the first thing I see is the Violet Voss Sun Kissed Summer. So this is the eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. So here is the card for June. So they did go with a Pride Month theme. So it's a rainbow and I think that's really cute. And it says express yourself. And the first item that we saw was the Violet Voss Sun Kissed Summery Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette, which retails for $37. So this is what the palette looks like. I don't know if I'm going to like it. Just from the packaging alone, I'm definitely gonna pass this along to one of my friends. I do really like Violet Voss. They do have some awesome eyeshadows, but this is not a palette that I need to add to my collection because it's not one that I'm actually going to use. It is way too neutral for me, so I don't really care about it. To be honest, I'll just throw it into one of my boxes that I'm going to be passing along to one of my friends. Achieve the most iconic summer looks year-round with universally flattering, warm neutrals from sunny golds to blazing hot rose golds. Experience exquisite formulas from ultra smooth mattes to dazzling metallics that layer and blend seamlessly with one another. And $37, that's pretty decent for a eyeshadow palette. 12 colors, and the shimmers are actually really, really gorgeous. They're just not eyeshadow colors that I'm going to reach for, and it would probably just end up sitting on my shelf for like a year before I finally ever try to use it or use it and then just pass it along. So I might as well just pass it along now. Liquid Glass Miracle Soothing Sealant. So heat activated technology wraps an invisible shield around each hair strand to provide frizz resistance. Leaves a super glossy, silky, fresh without weighing down. Lasts through 3 washes. Protects from heat up to 450 degrees. Okay, so it's a heat styling protectant and it looks like this. And this one retails for $34. So that's pretty expensive for a heat protector. I'm really excited that we got this because I do like using heat protectors. I usually use the Moroccan oil one that I got in the pop-up shop. I got like 2 or 3 of them. So that's really interesting. I'm very excited to try that. I do believe we have gotten another one in the past, and I think it was a detangler from the same brand. And I don't recall if I liked it or not, but I remember seeing that brand. Turmeric Brightening Polish. So this is a face and body, so another skincare item. Turmeric brightening polish. So it's for your face and body. Gently massage onto wet skin and leave on for 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Apply to face and body once a week. For external purposes only. Avoid direct contact with your eyes, and it's good for all skin types. So it's a turmeric and brightening polish that you use once a week for 2 minutes. So I may give this a try, but I may send this to my friend Taylor first before I try it so she can look at the ingredients and tell me if it's actually good or not, because she is a skincare enthusiast and she always loves to tell me what is good and bad in skincare. So I'm gonna pass this to the side for now and send a photo to her and let her know if I want to try it or not. But it visibly brightens and smooths, tones and hydrates, and promotes overall skin radiance. So again, it says individual results may vary, and it retails for $38. So $38 is pretty decent for skincare. That's not very expensive considering a lot of skincare is crazy expensive. Dual liquid eyeliner from the brand Cella? I've never actually heard of this brand before, but it looks like this. I hope this is a black liner, but looking from the packaging, I'm thinking it's going to be nude. So I think this is a dual liquid eyeliner pearl. So one side of it is a black liquid eyeliner and the other side is like a royal blue. So I'm really excited to try this. I think that's really cool. It's a really, really fine tip pen and it's a dual-sided pen, so that's really fun. I've never seen anything like it and I'm actually really excited. So that is the Cella Dual Liquid Eyeliner Pearl. This long wear liner glides on effortlessly with a unique design tapered brush. These 2 shimmering shades, black and icy blue, contain rich pearl pigments that provide a smudge-proof luminous effect. And it retails for $35. So for $35, having 2 eyeliners is pretty good. I'm probably wouldn't end up spending that myself because that's pretty expensive for an eyeliner, but I do think that that is a really cool concept and I'm very excited to try it because it's so fine tipped. I think it'll be really great for like graphic liners and I've been wanting to get into doing that. So I'm really excited for that. And the last thing is a Kiss Matte Polished Lip Plumping Gloss. I really like lip plumping glosses because they end up usually working fairly decent, the ones that I've tried, and I really like the color that they come in. So this is just like a nude lip plumping gloss and I'm curious if it's gonna smell like mint because the last one that I got at Boxycharm did. No, it smells like vanilla. So I'm really curious to see why this plumps your lips or how this plumps your lips because the last one was like a mint and the mint like interacted with your mouth and made your lips look bigger. So this is the Kiss Matte Polished Lip Plumping Gloss. As sweet and soft as a baby, this lip gloss offers up the ideal pinky nude pout, the perfect everyday gloss. Plump your lips and reduce wrinkles in one simple swipe. The Whisper Lightweight Treatment moisturizes and provides a natural glossy finish. And it retails for $18. It smells like kind of like vanilla cupcake, so I'm really excited to see if it tastes the way it smells because that'll be awesome if it does. But that was everything that I got in this box. So this one retailed for $162. So it was a little bit better than May's box. May's box was really disappointing. This one was okay. I do think that if you're into like nudes and stuff, you would really, really like June's box. Considering this is Pride Month and their card was a rainbow, I kind of expected to get like an eyeshadow palette that wasn't nude. The eyeshadow palette is really pretty, but I definitely was expecting more of a rainbow theme for June than what we got. This is definitely more catered towards like the everyday makeup wear and just like nudes. And I don't think that I'm overly disappointed by June's box, but I do think that it was catered to more just everyday makeup and not really fun creative makeup. So I'm kind of disappointed by both boxes, to be honest. They're both kind of just okay boxes. Neither of them were really that great. So I do think that the thing that I'm most excited for in June's box is the heat protector, and I'm really excited to try the lip plumping gloss. I'm glad that it is a nude, even though I don't usually tend to gravitate towards nudes. I do like it when glosses are just like sheer or a nude, so I think that's really great. The eyeshadow palette I'm kind of disappointed with because I'm not going to use it, but I would say June's box was a little bit better than May's box. I'm not overly upset that I waited so long to do May's box because honestly it was a pretty big letdown, but I would say I'm probably going to end up canceling Boxycharm pretty quick here because it's getting really, really expensive. They're always late, and to be honest, I'm not really enjoying the boxes anymore. Even doing these unboxing videos aren't that fun anymore because I'm always disappointed by the boxes. And now I have BarkBox, and I think that's just a better fit for my channel. I have kept Boxycharm just for the pop-up shop alone, and I don't know if it's really worth the price anymore because it just keeps going up and the boxes are not getting better. So I'm a little bit disappointed. I'm hoping that July's box will be better, but if July's box is just as disappointing as May and June's was, then I probably will end up canceling, and it is what it is. But thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sorry this video was a little bit more negative than some of my other videos, but they were definitely disappointing boxes, and as soon as I opened them, I was like, oh, great, this isn't anything that's exciting at all. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye.